Okay, so we have these words called reference words. And what they mean is that they allow us to not repeat the word that we want to say. Okay, because in English, it's really important that we don't keep repeating maybe a noun or, so for example, if I said to you, I have a book. Okay, so book is the noun. I said I have a book. Now, I don't want to keep saying the book is good, the book is whatever. I don't want to keep repeating it. So I have to use this word called it. So the next time when I say the book, I can say the word it. It is here. It is written by, and then I can say the name of the person who wrote it. It is in my bedroom. Okay, so I can replace the word the book in my next sentence by saying it. So these are what we call reference words. And there's many of them. There's it, which I see a lot of speakers of another language not use this word a lot. So let's practice it. It is just one of them. There's also some other ones. So let's have a look at them and look at the rules. Okay, so they're called reference words. Okay, so we have it, him, her, their, one, them, here. Okay, so we know it refers to a singular object. So for example, this laptop. Okay, I don't want to keep saying this laptop is expensive, this laptop is mine, this laptop is my work laptop. I don't want to keep repeating the word laptop, laptop, laptop. So I say it. It is my laptop. It is here in my workplace. Now, him is to replace a male. So if I'm talking about maybe my friend Tom, and I say, instead of saying Tom, 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 I can say him. So maybe I invited him to the party. I invited Tom to the party. I sent him an invitation. I gave him all the details. Okay, so instead of repeating his name, I say him if it's a male person. Now, her is the same, but it's for a female. And there is for a location. So for example, I went to the beach. Now, I don't want to keep saying the beach was so beautiful. It was very busy at the beach. I don't want to keep repeating the place. So I say it was beautiful there. There were so many people there. There was lots of restaurants there. Okay, so I can use this word for a place, and I can say it many, many times there, but not the place. I don't want to keep repeating the name. Okay, one is used to say, like, for example, whatever object, this one. So if I'm looking at a noun and I can say this laptop, then I can replace it with saying this one, especially when there's an option. So which laptop do you want? Maybe if you're purchasing one, I want this one. So one is when I have an option between, depends what the object is. Could be books or laptop or mobile phone or whichever type of, drinks. I want this one. Okay, when there's many, but we want to pick which one do you want. Them is for plural. Okay, so it's for many objects. So instead of repeating these pen, like if I have lots and lots of pens, I can say, can you give them, okay, because it's plural, to someone. Now here is always confused with there. So there is usually when I'm talking about a place in the past. So maybe yesterday, I went there. I went to the beach. I went there with my friends. I went there to have lunch. But here is usually used in the present when I say, come here to my home. So I must be in that place. So come to my home. Come here. Or if I'm at a restaurant, where are you? I'm at a restaurant. come here. Okay, so it's when I'm in the place and I'm telling someone to come to where I am at. Okay, so these are just some of the reference words. And as I said, they replace the noun. So I don't have to keep repeating the noun. So for example, if we have a look at the email, okay, so we say it, we can see it in all those emails. For example, the film. So you could see in the first message, hi, are you interested in seeing the new Spielberg film? It starts at 8 o'clock. So what is it? It is the film. But I don't want to keep saying the film starts at 8 p.m. The film is at Norwood Cinema. The film is by this director. I don't want to keep repeating the film. So I can say it. It starts at 8 p.m. It is a good movie. It has my favorite actor in it. Okay, so it replaces the film. Now, if I look at the message in the receptionist, so in message number 2, it says, Dear Sandy, the receptionist is very busy today. Do you have any free time? Can you help her? Okay, so can you help her? Who are we talking about? The receptionist. So she's a female, and I'm saying, can you help her? Okay, again, we have it, the party. If you look at number 3, the party is at 8 p.m. on Friday. Oma thinks it's on Saturday. So it's means the party. Okay, it's to the noun that was said before. And him, if you look at the message in number 3 again, so Oma thinks it's on Saturday. Can you tell him? Because I don't want to repeat the name Oma. So can you tell him? And we have the sushi. In number 4, hi, I'm at work until 6. Do you want to eat out this evening? The new restaurant on Walk Street does sushi. Do you like it? Okay, so it is the food, the sushi. There, we can go there. So there means the restaurant. There, it's a location, a place. 1, if I look at number 5, are you good at fixing photocopiers? The one in my office doesn't work. Okay, the one, that means the photocopier. And then we have in email number 6, hello, Bridget, I can't understand this email from 2 customers in Paris. Can you speak French so you can translate it for me and reply to them? So them is plural and it means the customers. Can you reply to them, the customers? I don't want to keep saying, can you reply to the customers? Can you call the customers? Can you tell the customers? So I just want to say them. But let's practice it. Number 4, I like Joe's Cafe. So if you look at this sentence, it's got the subject, I, the action, like, and it's a place, Joe's Cafe. Then I said, can we meet there? So we could see that this word there is used to replace the place in the previous sentence. Okay, so can we meet there? Number 2, I have your letter. Can you come and get? Now the letter is singular, so can you come and get it? So it means the letter. Can you come and get it? Number 3, do you like Mexican food? The cafe downstairs does it at lunchtime. So we use the word it to replace Mexican food. Because I don't want to say the cafe downstairs does Mexican food. Okay, it's repeating the words. So it does it. I'm in my office. So meet me here. So remember, we use the word here when we tell someone to come to where we are in the moment that we are speaking. So I'm in my office, meet me here. I don't want to say I'm in my office, meet me in my office. My office is in Peary Street. Okay, meet me here. Olav can't finish his work. Can you help? I don't want to say Olav. Can you help him? Okay, because him is replacing the name of a male, Olav. Matt and Suki are late. So that's plural because it's two people. Please call them. Okay, so them refers to many people, not just one person, maybe two people, three people. And in this case, Matt and Suki. Please call Matt and Suki. But I don't want to keep repeating the name. I like the new nightclub. Can we go there? Okay, so I like the new nightclub. So I want to repeat, I don't want to repeat this word, nightclub. Can we go there? Can you buy a new computer? This one is very old. Okay, so these were called reference words. And it's really important because they allow us to make our sentences nice and sharp and short. We don't want to keep repeating the same words when we're talking about something. Okay, so you need to remember it is used for something that is singular, an object. Him is to a male. Her is about a female. There is about a place, a location. One, maybe because I have many, or I'm talking about, this one. So if I can point to something, an object, and say this laptop or this jacket or this chair, then I say this one. Them, remember, is plural. It's talking about people. So you could say my parents, I saw them on the weekend. I spoke to them, because I don't want to keep repeating parents, parents, parents. And here is when I'm talking about where I am. I must be in that location when I'm speaking. And I'm telling someone, come here. Come meet me here. I'm in the classroom or I'm in the restaurant. Okay, meet me here. Okay, so these were reference words. They're very short words, but they allow us to speak very clearly and not be repetitive, which is really important. So reference words, these were just a few of them, and we know how to use them now.